What is up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Sunday's stream. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We just got finished with our members only stream, and we had a couple big announcements during this stream. Nothing too crazy today, but we did announce, if you guys were not in the members only stream, that we are doing an airdrop in 2 weeks for all the members for NFK. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit that join button and become a member. You have 2 weeks to join. Red Rum, what's going on? Fugerio, I feel like I just saw you, bro. Shazan, Rosala, same. Muhammad, BP, what's going on, bro? Adam, what's going on, bro? Welcome back, dude. Tales from the Street. Oh, Tales of the Street said he was in my neck of the woods. All right. What you doing around here, boy? Yeah, make sure you check in before you come around here, bro. Just kidding. Jay, what's going on? Virgilio said, I'm always here watching. All right, bro. A little scary, but okay. Just kidding. Well, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's just jump right into this. So, like I said, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Happy Memorial Day to everybody out there. Even if, hopefully everybody doesn't have to work. But even if you do, it is what it is. Grind, get your money, and get your crypto news while you're working, right? So let's just do this. So right now, Bitcoin sitting at around 69,100. Looks like I said yesterday, wasn't expecting too much to be going on this weekend, given that it is a weekend and we have the holiday. And you guys can see Bitcoin's really been holding strong above that 69 level, holding this support level at 69,000. Hey, 69, right? Looking beautiful. I'm not even going to jinx us for this week coming up. You guys already know what I mean. I'm not going to say anything. Well, let's let it all play out, but we are looking absolutely fabulous for right now. For Milady, you guys can see Milady is going on a nice run. And I think because we started our members only stream a little while ago, everything started to run. I'm telling you guys, it's not just something that you read on Reddit or you see, maybe on the news or something when they're talking about the crypto FUD effect. No, it is real. It's here. And it's not a coincidence that every time we're live, we're freaking pumping, right? I mean, think about this. Sunday, half of the freaking America is probably still sleeping. It's still early as hell. And we're pumping right now. The crypto FUD effect is real, guys. It's real. I'm just kidding, guys. But you guys can see that we are looking nice for Milady. She's been holding a pivotal spot too as well. That 19.7, you can see that we've bounced a little bit below, but for the most part, we have really been respecting that level, and we just look great. The market, all in all, for today, for a Sunday, looks honestly amazing. This is the week. Sorry, I didn't mean to gas you up. I was like, holy crap. I was looking at that too. I was like, damn, we're pumping right now. No, that was for the week. But for the day, you guys can see Jasmy. We were just checking this out on the members only stream. Jasmy's running up 12%. What is this? Ethereum name service up 18.5%. PEPE up almost 6%. Ethereum is up 3%. Chills, you guys can see 12% as well. Uniswap's been killing it this past week. I don't know what's going on with Uniswap. It's obviously because of Ethereum. Arbitrum, Filecoin out of nowhere. You guys can see Lido. Aave up like crazy. So, I mean, we look good. Looking at the hourly, you guys can see this is pretty much what it is. We've been starting to pump in the last, probably the last hour. We've been seeing a nice little run. So, looks great. And we will go back to the weekly just to kind of give you an insight of like, you guys can see for the last week, we've really been running, right? Maybe your favorite crypto isn't on here right now that's got a big bubble, but I mean, this just show you what the market's really been doing in the last 7 days. We have been actually just pumping like crazy. Some of these projects, I mean, like PEPE, up 76 freaking percent. Ethereum, 25% for Ethereum. Lido, 53 freaking percent. Jasmy's up 20%. Floki, 15%. Uniswap, I told you guys, Uniswap has been killing it. Obviously, that's because of Ethereum, right? But, I mean, you're just seeing a lot of projects absolutely ripping. Arbitrum. Arbitrum's up 23%. Why is Arbitrum up? Why is Uniswap up? Why is Starnet up? Well, a lot of these projects, Arbitrum, Starnet, these are layer 2 projects that are on Ethereum. Uniswap is the biggest swap for Ethereum. So you guys can see Ethereum is bringing a lot of these projects up, right? And it's pretty much bringing the market up, really giving us that boost that we wanted to see. In the last, 4 or 5 weeks, we've been on our way kind of down. You can see for the last week, we've regained a lot of those movements towards the downside. So, I mean, we look good. The market looks absolutely great. So, yep, Mohammed said NFK. NFK is looking absolutely great too. And we're going to have a bubble. We're going to be, one day, we're going to be right here at the top 100 projects. We're going to have a big bubble there, and we're going to freaking go crazy. But we're up 23.9% in the last 24 hours. But if you really look in the last 6-7 days, we're up probably 100 plus percent in the last 7 days. So I mean, we finally broke above that $300,000 market cap. Liquidity over $61, almost $62,000 in liquidity locked in on Solana. Bro, we're killing it right now. NFK right now is absolutely killing it. So shout out to everybody on the squad. For sure. So, a couple things I wanted to jump right into for today. Let's see here. Mama said I'm about to load up more. Bro, your bag, you already got a solid bag there, buddy. Take it easy, all right? I don't want to have to start calling you Whale Muhammad around here, all right? It does have a little ring to it, but I don't want to have to start calling you Whale Muhammad because I know you're sitting on a solid bag, bro. Oh man! So real quick, I wanted to jump in on this because this was when I was reading through the articles to see what we were going to be checking out. I was like, this caught my eye. I was like, oh really? Son of a beep! So FTX Estate sells remaining discounted Solana tokens in a bid to repay creditors. So if you guys remember during the members only stream, I was like, we're going to cover this in the regular stream. So for Solana particularly, you know, it's a little bit odd that you have a lot of these projects, and really you have a lot of Ethereum projects running, but you know, for the most part, like Bitcoin's only down 0.5% right now, right? Only down 0.5%. You can see Solana. Ooh, she's looking kind of juicy to open up a long. Hold on here. Pulse, Jupiter swap, perpetuals, Pulse. Let's see here. Don't start bouncing, Solana. Hold on. Let me see here. I'm going to open up a 40X. I'm just going to do something small, something light. Where are we at? 63, 62. Yeah, this is a good time. Open long. It's asking me for my credentials real quick. Confirm. Hurry the hell up. Solana just dropped like crazy. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me real quick. Make sure this opens up real quick. All right, it opened. All right, so you guys can see I opened up a long just now on Solana. Entry was at 162.8. So we'll see how this plays out. We are seeing a little bit of a sell-off. Look at this. It's for Bitcoin as well, which is crazy. Bitcoin was literally, I mean, you guys remember just a couple minutes ago, we were literally just sitting up here at 69.2. We just dropped to 68.7 on here. A little nerve-wracking actually for me to open up this long, but we'll see how it plays out. So, what were we talking about here? Oh yeah, so FTX sold $2.6 billion worth of Solana token. So we don't know exactly when they did it, but you guys can see. So the FTX estate responsible for managing the defunct exchange bankruptcy has auctioned off the last of its heavily discounted Solana tokens. The tokens were sold to Pantera Capital and Figure Markets at a significantly reduced price as part of an efforts to reimburse creditors and former clients. So they did an OTC sale, believe it or not. Instead of actually selling on the market, They did an OTC sale to basically it looks like some kind of a capital fund place bought them up. We'll see. So the estate of the bankruptcy crypto exchange FTX concludes a sale of 2.6 billion trove of discounted Solana tokens with figure markets to Pantera among the buyers. So in a bid to compensate creditors and former clients, the FTX estate sold the last of its Solana tokens valued at 2.6 billion to Pantera Capital. The tokens were sold at $102 per token. Okay, so they just sold them 102. They sold them $2.6 billion worth of Solana at $100 basically per Solana. So that alone, those people just made 60% off of that. Because if you think about it, we're at $162 right now. If they sold it to them for $102, that's a 60% gain off of just that buy right there. So well below the current price of $168. This is during the article whenever it came out. So figures market acquire of 800,000 Solana tokens. Damn. A 4-year vesting schedule for the token will be implemented as part of the agreement with the purchasers. The structured release aims to migrate potential market impacts from the large transaction. So what they did was they basically signed, maybe they have some kind of an agreement where they're not going to just basically take the coins and then sell them all at once, right? They have some kind of a some kind of an agreement to where they're going to probably slowly sell off the token or the coins. So at the end of the day, it kind of stinks because we're still getting ripple effects from FTX, right? We're still getting ripple effects from FTX as far as just it's still lingering, them basically messing up the market. So let me check and see. So Solana, what's going on with Solana right now? That's crazy. Right when I'm sitting here screaming about the crypto FUD effect, a whale was like, "Oh, really? You think this is a crypto FUD effect? Hold on. Hold my tea. Hold my tea." What is going on, guys? I'm gonna jump right into the chat real quick. So, Daddy, what's going on? NFK looking juicy. Adam said no Diddy on that. Crab been holding. Fajerio said, can you check Robin? Yes, we'll check that out here. Gina, what's going on, girl? Craig said Jasmy's pumping. Hold on here. Just want to make sure I get everybody's stuff here. Jasmy's pumping. BONK has been holding its gains. I'm about to load up some more NFK. Mog has been going up too. Whale Mo. Demon said, good morning, average Joes. Hopefully today is the start of the bull run. Shazan said, Jasmy, what up? What's going on, guys? Facts. Everybody's in here. Good. Let's see if this plays out, guys. So we saw a brief little sell-off just now. Let's see how it goes. So for Bitcoin particularly, we're zoomed in, obviously. You guys can see she did break below. This orange is going to be your 100. Hold on here. Oh, okay. All right, so it looks like this light, we have the 20-day, we have the 50, and then we have the 100-day. This is why I always change these freaking colors, because these two oranges are so similar that it kind of throws me off. But you guys can see, for right now, we do have a candle wick that broke below the 100-day, but it looks like the 100-day right now is fighting. It's struggling to try to hold, so we'll see how this plays out. And then for look at Solana. Solana just bounced. So I'm up 9% right now on my trade. And if you guys are interested in learning how to leverage trade, which is leverage trading is it's a beast. I'm not going to sit there and promote it, but if you guys are interested in doing, you know, some leverage trading, make sure you guys hit that join and become a member. So we'll see how it is. You know, I'm not going to jump out. I was like, I might jump out of that position and just take that little 8% gain, but I'm going to just let it be. I'm going to let it hold. You guys can see for Solana, we did drop and bounce at the 162. I should have had patience and grabbed it right at that 162, right? But I didn't. I jumped in because I was watching the 200-day moving average is what I was watching. So we'll come back and check it out. We'll keep an eye on it. So let's see here. So a couple people were saying some things were pumping right now. So let's look up. We already know Jasmy's running. Jasmy's running right now. She's actually, so Jasmy ran like crazy earlier, almost to 2.5 cents. Right now, she is hopefully bouncing, finding that support right here at the 236. So you see, we did bounce at the 236, and that's what's really had us on a nice run. So what I wouldn't mind seeing for Jasmy is even if we do come down, we bounce off this 236 at the 22.8. We can find some support. This is going to keep Jasmy's momentum running up, giving us that hopium, that support level that we need. And then next level is going to be the 2.5 cent mark, the 25.1 right there for Jasmy. So we'll see how that plays out. Pepe, we were just covering this. Pepe just made a freaking all-time high not too long ago, sometime today, running up to the 16.3 mark right there. Pepe, I mean, bro, look at this chart. Pepe is just absolutely just killing it. It is literally just killing it. You guys remember? When I the stream? You guys probably don't remember this. This was like not 8 months ago, but it was probably like 6 months ago. Pepe and Milady were running together, and I was like, "What do you guys think is gonna be better, Pepe or Milady?" You know, and we were like, "Who knows, right?" And I'm not saying which one's better, but looking at Pepe's chart is going crazy. Muhammad, I see you over here, bro. I see you over here. He's about to have us over here bowing, calling him Whale Mo. And I think that's what he said he wanted to be called. Whale Mo. Fajirio said I should have kept my Pepe last year, bro. I mean, listen, don't beat yourself up over it. You know, don't beat yourself up over it. You know, I don't know what your position is on everything, but it is what it is. You know, Pepe has been running like crazy. I'm not going to, sugarcoat it. It's been running like crazy. I've been telling you guys this for the last probably 6 months that I truly do believe that Pepe is going to take probably the number one spot as far as meme coins. I do think it's going to be, it probably already is the number 3rd, but I do think that it's really going to be giving Shiba and Doge a run for their money as far as market cap. It already is outperforming Shiba and Doge, right? We already know that, but I'm saying like as far as getting to that top spot for market cap, I think Pepe could possibly be the one. So, but hear me out though, and I've said the same thing on the flip side. Don't write off Milady, because even though Milady, even if she doesn't get to the top 5 per market cap meme coins, even if she gets to the top 10 and she gets up to just say $5 billion market cap, the gains that are going to be made on Milady are going to be much more significant than buying in on Pepe right now, and running it up, because Milady's market cap is only at what, $150 million. So if we run up to a $5 billion market cap, you're talking about a 50-60x, versus Pepe runs up to a $40 billion market cap from where it's at right now. You're talking about maybe a 7x for Pepe, I believe, because I think Pepe's at like 6 billion. Yeah, 6.6. So, that's what I'm getting to. So don't let the market caps kind of confuse you as far as, oh, well, the market cap's higher for Pepe. I mean, yeah, that's great. But so which one do you think has potential for more gains? I'm still going to run with Milady on that. So checking my long that I opened up. Virgilio said he's been holding Milady for almost a year. It'll pay off, bro. Shazan said, make sure you guys hit those likes. What do we got? 26 people here and 15 likes. Wow, guys. If that's not a slap in the face, I don't know what is. Just kidding. So let's jump in a couple other things here. So Trump pledges to free Silk Road creator Ross. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his last name if reelected. And then another one. And then another headline. Trump posts, our country must be the leader in the crypto field. Isn't that crazy? Bro, I don't know who he's got on his team, but they're like, bro, if you can run with this crypto, you're gonna sway a lot of voters. And I'm telling you guys, I've been saying this. Obviously, we're not political. We're not leaning towards any side on this channel, right? I'm just giving you guys the facts. If Biden was over here saying the same thing, I'd be saying, look, Biden, whoever's on Trump's team is smart, because I told you guys this. Crypto is going to be a big thing on the ballots this year, and the fact that you have Trump, he's for a while now, he's been really running, changed his tune towards Bitcoin and towards, crypto and stuff like that. I'm sure he's attracting a lot of young voters, so. And now what's funny is now we have the other side. They're starting to do the same thing. They're starting to, change their tune on crypto as well. So, which is a good thing, right? We want both of them, because one of them are going to win, right? So we want both of them to be pro crypto. Manero, what's going on, brother? What is going on? So let's click into this real quick. I want to see what this, they always got to get these crazy pictures. So Donald Trump tightened his recent embrace of crypto today, posting a social media, I am very positive and open-minded to cryptocurrency companies and all things related to this new and burgeoning industry, as both sides in the upcoming presidential election appear to be seeking to win over pro-crypto voters. This is what I said. Our country must be the leader in the field. There is no second place, Trump posted on social media, on Truth Social, to his address to the Libertarian National Convention in Washington, D.C. later today. Trump then took a short at his rival, Crooked Joe Biden. That's how he always says it. On the other hand, the worst president in the history, this is what he's saying, of our country, wants it to die a slow and painful death. And you know what's funny, and like I said, I just want to make sure you guys understand that just because I'm reading an article from Trump, I'm not leaning towards any side, right? I don't care what you guys do as far as your votes. We're not political whatsoever. But what I'm getting to is I agree with what he's saying, because I'm sorry, actions speak louder than words, and you better believe that Gary Gensler is on the payroll of this administration, right? And Gary Gensler has been doing nothing but attacking crypto. And I told you guys this yesterday, and I'm going to keep saying it because I thought it was such a snake move, that this administration that we have currently was trying to propose 48% unrealized gain tax, capital gains tax, meaning, and this wasn't just towards crypto, but it was towards all investments. They're trying to scrounge up as much money as they can to do their handouts to all their base, right? They have to hand out, all that money, all that, whatever the hell they got going on, and fund all these wars that we got going on across the country, across the world, that have spiraled out of control in the last few years, right? So they have to, where are they going to get the money from? Well, they're getting it off of taxes, but now they're trying to figure out other revenues to boost up those taxes. And one of them was, it got shot down, but one of them was to propose almost a 50% capital gains tax on unrealized gains. And I've already said this analogy, and I'm going to say it again so you understand. Imagine having right now your $10,000 up on your Milady portfolio, right? You're up $10,000. Well, the government wants you to, when tax season comes around, they want you to report that $10,000 gain, even though you haven't sold it yet, and they want 48% of those gains that you haven't even sold off yet and recuperated, right? Tell me that that's not some kind of a scam. That right there. So that got shot down. That got shot down. Luckily, that doesn't look like that's going to be happening. But this is what's been coming out of the people that are in office right now, right? So now they're trying to change their tune to where they're like, oh, we're pro crypto and stuff like that. To me, it just seems like it's a little too late and it's a little sketch, in my opinion. Now, you can look at it the other way. Why is Trump now all of a sudden pro crypto? Well, you could look at it both ways, right? Obviously, he knows that there's a big audience out there, a big chunk of America now that is pro crypto, that holds crypto. We read that article, 60 million Americans either hold or have bought or sold crypto in the last year. 60 million Americans, right? And that number is going to continue to rise. So any candidate's going to see that and be like, all right, we need to target these people, right? So listen to me. I understand both sides of the aisle. They're both, you know how it goes. They're all politicians. You know, it is what it is. But I'm looking at actions speak louder than words, and what we've seen currently in the last few years against crypto, you know, it should prove a point as far as who's really against crypto. Now, who's for crypto is yet to be seen, right? Is yet to be seen. So. Someone said, Whale Mo. I'm just going to call you it, bro. Whale Mo. We're going to change your name over to Whale Mo. Said, check out NFK, bro. Yes, that's crazy, bro. Just ran up. Now it's at 30%. I'm not going to click into your bag, but I know you have a big bag, bro. Oh, man. Nah, but I appreciate your support for the token, dude. I know you know firsthand, you know what we got going on and where we're headed. So I hope it all works out for you, brother. Just have those diamond hands for right now. All right, let's run this up. Let's at least see that $1 million market cap because we know it's coming up soon, bro. Look at this. We're knocking on $70,000 liquidity door. Think about this. 2 weeks ago, our liquidity was at what, 20,000, 22,000, bro. We've 3x our liquidity in the last like 2 weeks. Insane. We just got off yesterday. We ran a big ad campaign on the deck screener, which was high. Some of the devs are saying it was a little too much, expensive. Other ones are saying, bro, we need to keep doing them. They are freaking expensive. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's hundreds of dollars to run just for like each hour. It's hundreds of dollars, you know. And we ran it yesterday for like 12 hours. So you do the math, but that's what we're putting in on the back end, you know. So. Art man, welcome, brother. Welcome to being a member. Oh, you guys, what's up? I thought we were flooding the chat with the emojis. I'll start it off. But hell yeah, Whale Mo, you're killing it, bro. So Monero said, Shazam's over there cooking you guys in the chat. He said, shameful, guys. Getting there, guys. 19 likes. Shazam, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate that. Monero said, if Trump will be reelected, we might see a bull run like never seen before. I mean, possibly. I will say to come to, and remember, we're not being political, but to come to Biden's defense, the stock market has been hitting all-time highs. In the recent few weeks, we've seen all-time highs for the S&P and for the NASDAQ, all-time highs. So, I mean, I honestly think that maybe regardless who wins, maybe if one candidate wins, it might be a little bit more, of a pump. But I do think that either or, I think just with the fact that we're coming out of a bull market, we have so many bullish things going on in the market that I think regardless, we're running, right? Regardless, we're running. So, but we'll see how it goes. Tuan said, good morning, Crip. Can you check Punky with the Solana ecosystem? Thinking of investing in. All right, I'll check it out here in a second. I'll be sure to check that out. And Shazam, I appreciate you over there putting in work, making sure everybody hits those likes. Appreciate that, guys. I really do thank you guys for that. So, just to finish this article off, he wrote on his Truth Social. He said, I am very positive and open-minded to cryptocurrency. Oh yeah, we already read that. So, yeah, we'll see how this plays out. But, you know, I already told you guys this. I've said it multiple times. We're not political, but I said whatever candidate really gets behind crypto, you know, that they're gonna see nothing but positive. And now you can kind of see that both candidates are now kind of picking that up, and they're both like, well, shit, I'm pro crypto. I'm pro crypto. Hey, as long as it works out for crypto, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Just checking up on that long that I opened up earlier during the stream. I'm up about 9.5% right now, so nothing too crazy. Remember, I opened up something small. It wasn't anything big. And you guys can see, going back to Bitcoin real quick, you guys can see, remember we broke down below the 100-day, but look, it looks like we found some support at that 100 days so far. So we'll see how that plays out for Bitcoin. And also, we already checked this out, but I just want an announcement. PEPE just made all-time highs. Freaking crazy. So, let me see here. So, Twan asked if I can check out Punky. I don't even know if I'm saying that, pronouncing that correctly, but Punky? I feel like we've looked at this chart before. Yeah, 5 months. We've had to have looked at this. Let it load. There's no way. Is this 5 months? I was going to say, are you freaking kidding me right now? I got to like zoom out like crazy on this chart. One day we'll get there. There it is. All right. So I will say, bro, looking at this chart, I know it'd be kind of hard for me to draw a trend line. But if you really look at this thing has been making higher lows, even though it's been kind of like it looks like it's like it goes on a run and it'll kind of retrace, right, and consolidate for a while, and then it kind of starts going on a run and then retraces. But every time it retraces, it's making higher lows every time, and you can see this thing. It's just it recently has gone on a massive run. So this chart honestly looks bullish. It really does. It looks bullish. It looks good. Obviously, you see a beautiful trend I'm saying like recently, you see a beautiful trend pointing towards the upside right there. So I mean, it looks fabulous. Honestly, and it looks like it's actually just came off of making pretty much an all-time high, even though it's nothing crazy higher than the other spots. But look, this just made technically an all-time high right there. So definitely looks great. You guys already know what I'm going to say about this. Is as long as it stays above the 236, even if it breaks this trend and it comes and finds some support at the 236 at the 37 cents, I think this thing will continue to stay on a run. Market cap $229 million and liquidity $5 million. So I mean, obviously, project looks solid. Very, very nice project right here. Whew. Did you, Whale Mo, what'd you do, bro? You don't open up the floodgates. Look at that. Freaking going crazy. Gina said, can I, where was your oh yeah, Gina said, can you please check when what? Can you please check when? I always say the same joke. Oh yeah, I was told yesterday that I have corny jokes. If you guys remember, someone came in here and said that I have corny jokes, so I guess I should probably cool off on some of these dad jokes that I have. Sorry guys, no more joking around. Let's get serious here. Just kidding. So she said, can you check when and what's your opinion on it for the future of the coin? Well, I definitely will pull up the chart, but as far as the future of it, I'd have to like do some research on what the hell they got going on. I know when is. Hold on, before I even say anything, let me pull this up real quick. I remember when they launched. They're on Solana, right? Pretty sure they're on Solana. Yeah, they're on Solana for sure. I remember when they launched. I don't know anything about like the dev team or what's going on. But look at this. They're trading on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC. I mean, they're trading. Crypto.com even has them. Okay. So, I mean, they're on major exchanges, right? And that's what one thing I do like is that a lot of these major exchanges, they will pick up Solana projects fast, right? So that's what I'm saying, guys. NFK, we run up $100 million market cap. They will be coming to us, banging on our door, asking us to if we can, if they can list our token. So that's what I'm saying. Like, that's why we built on Solana. That's a big reason why we built on Solana. It's such a big, fast ecosystem. So, I mean, looking at the charts for given what I just said, right? You can see that they're trading on a lot of major exchanges. The market cap, 159 million. So, I mean, it's there. It's around this. I mean, you could look at this project as the same size as Milady, technically, right? So you can see they had a beautiful run up. They have had a retracement since then. And if you look at the trend, it actually looks like they've pretty much broken out of this trend, right? I know this is a sloppy looking trend, but you can get the gist. It looks like it somewhat broke out, but it's most likely, and it looks like it's consolidating to the side. 618 is going to be a big spot that I really would consider this breaking out of the trend actually and starting to run up. So the 618 is going to be somewhere around the 23 mark. This 23 mark is going to be a big spot for some resistance, and hopefully you guys can flip it and find some support. So if you're asking, Gina, if you're asking, like if you haven't bought in on the project, is it a good time to buy? Looks like it's bottomed out, right? It looks like it's bottomed out, found some support at the 786. I don't know if you want to be patient and see if maybe it'll drop and retest the 786 again. That'll be at around the 15 mark. That's where it looks like it's basically it's held as far as support. So BP said, make sure you guys hit the like, join the Discord and the memberships. Let me actually add the Discord onto here. Damn, y'all eating up all the NFK, huh? Copy link. I'm adding the Discord into the chat real quick. Just bear with me here. All right, so I just added the Discord. This is the Discord for the channel and for No FUD Koala as well. So if you guys are active on Discord, make sure you guys join. Look at, bro. It feels great. It feels great, honestly, guys. We're going to the moon. I'm telling you guys, we're going to the moon. We're not stopping. We're not stopping. I want to see that $10 million market cap. $10 million market cap. I'll be so happy. Honestly, I'm gonna be so happy for everybody because I know just the whole community. Everybody's behind this. Frank, you hit me at a rough time right now with the burrito, dude, because I'm not even gonna lie. I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Dude, you know what, Frank? I hate you and I love you at the same time, bro. I'm getting a burrito today. I'm going to post it in the Discord. I'm getting a burrito today, guys. Frank got me going. No diddy. Oh, man, Frank. You're killing me, brother. Someone asked, Daddy said I'm not a member anymore. What the F? Were you gifted a membership? Because I noticed we had like 170 members like last month, and this month it's like 100. So a lot of people were gifted last month a member. A lot of people were gifted memberships last month. Well, you were gifted it, but you have to renew it yourself. It's only $5 for you to renew it. So Joe's, I don't know if I said that correctly, but said, what are your thoughts on Fufu, the deflationary AI meme coin on Ethereum? Well, usually Fufu means like fake. When you use Fufu, usually means fake, but we'll check it out. Is this it right here? The Chinese dog, bro? I don't know, bro. Fufu. I mean, this is the only one that's on Ethereum. I mean, it looks all right. Liquidity's solid. Market cap's low. This thing has been definitely on a downward trend. You know, it looks like it's pretty much finding some support where it's at. So, I mean, without getting into the weeds, I would say, move this down a little bit. I would say where you're at right now would be, if I was bullish on this project, it would be probably where I would just be buying in, right? Praying for some kind of a run. But, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look the best as far as the charts, to be honest. Shazan said, make sure you guys hit those likes, spread the word for the No FUD community. Hell yeah. Going crazy, guys. We're up 36% in the last 24 hours, guys. Absolutely insane. Yeah, so Troy said, I can't figure out how to become a member on my phone, and I don't own a computer. Yeah, I know, bro. That's the dilemma that a lot of people are having, bro. Trust me. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But even when I pull it up on like someone else's phone, because I wanted to see for myself, when I pull it up, it doesn't have the join button when you're on your mobile device. I don't know why, but when I'm on my computer, I have multiple computers. Whenever I pull up the channel on a PC, the join button's there. So I don't know what's going on with that, brother. So, like I said, you're gonna have to figure out, like, if you go to the library or something, you can get a or a tablet. I'm sure a tablet will work too. Jay said, try using YouTube on your phone browser, meaning don't go through the YouTube app. Try to look up YouTube on your, like, you know, when you go on the internet, like if you're going to pull up Facebook or something, try to pull up YouTube, like just going through Google. Like Google YouTube and try to go on there and look up CryptoFud. That's a good idea, Jay. See if you can go through there. You might be able to find it on there. Fajerio said, can you check call? Let me pull up call real quick. So you guys know yesterday what we were talking about with call. You know, the thing looks like it's been trying to move towards the upside. I'm not going to say necessarily it did break out of the trend, but I'm still going to say that it looks like it's still trying to continue upward movement for now. It is down technically about 5% for today. You know, we'll have to see how it goes. Was this a fake out? Are we coming back down? I will tell you this, if call does start coming back down, I think if it comes back and retests this 55, it's most likely going to come back and retest the 39 is what I'm thinking. I think you're going to have, if this was a fake out, you're probably going to get a lot of people kind of just like, all right, I'm done with call, you know, and maybe they'll move on and you might see somewhat of a sell-off. Now, that's if that happens. Maybe this is some kind of a fake out as far as the trend, and it's going to start running back. It's going to continue to just get back up and run. You know, I don't know. I will tell you with all this, I don't follow them on the Discord or anything like that. I usually get my information from like BP and everybody else in the Discord, and no one's been talking about them. No one's been saying anything about them, right? So I mean, as far as, you know, the hype behind the project, you know, it feels like it's dwindled down. I'm not gonna say it died out, but it's dwindled down. You know, so. Mom had said, look at the liquidity in the market cap. I know, bro. We're literally about to hit 400,000. I'd be so happy if we hit $1 million market cap today. I really would be, guys. Gina said, can you talk to YouTube about that? About what? Gina, you think I call YouTube? I'm like, hey guys, what's going on? Hey, it's Crip. How you guys doing? What do you want, Crip? Nothing, man. You guys aren't paying me. What's going on? No, I mean, what I can do is, BP just gifted somebody. What I can do is, let me look into it after the stream today. I'm gonna look in to see if maybe I can figure out. You know, I know there's got to be a way you can do it on your phone. I know there is. So I'll look it up, and hopefully tomorrow I'll have somewhat of a an update in regards to what's going on. So we'll see. But you guys are killing it. You guys are absolutely killing it, bro. I'm just so proud. I'm a proud parent right now. I bet you, I haven't looked at it, but I bet you if we look at the crypto bubbles right now, they're going to be in the red for the hourly. Let's see. Boom. Look at this. Jasmy's down 4.8% in the last hour because the market is slightly red. Yeah, look at that. So you can see right now Jasmy's actually coming up to a pivotal spot that I told you guys, the 236, that we want to see hold for right now. What's PEPE doing? Same thing, kind of retracing a little bit. Let's see what Milady's is doing. Same thing, retracing a little bit. Should I have opened up that long? Whew. I don't know, guys. We'll see. I should have jumped out when I was at like 10% up. I should have just jumped out because now I'm down 9% on that long. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how that plays out. I might end up just getting out of my position because I'm going to explain. So remember I was telling you guys that we were bouncing off the 200A. Now look at it. We're starting to, the 200A is starting to become resistance. Oh crap, what's going on here? Oh, look at that. BP just gifted. Oh, bro, what's going on? Y'all balling out today? We got NFK going absolutely berserk, and now we got BP just throwing money everywhere. BP just gifted 5 memberships, and Troy, Shazan, April, Koktoshi got it, and then Crypto Pillbox came through and did the same thing. Look at this. Everybody just jumped in. Nice. Listen, you guys just got gifted a membership, and you know what? Make sure you guys say thank you to Crypto Pillbox and to BP. Make sure you guys say thank you, and honestly, give them a big thanks because not only did they just give you guys a membership to where you get all the perks, but now you guys are eligible. You guys are going to be getting the airdrop in the next 2 weeks now. So thank you. Make sure you guys thank them because not only did they just gift you guys, bless you guys with a freaking membership, they also just bless you guys with an airdrop as well. So shout out to Crypto Pillbox and shout out to BP. You know, you family, bro. Thank you guys so much on their behalf for blessing them, honestly. So there you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Today, y'all got me pumped. Y'all got me pumped here, bro. There you go, BP. Bro, BP, we gave BP the title hype man. My boy, BP wears a lot of different shirts around here. He puts on a lot of different hats around here, bro. But I will say, BP, bro, you're a good person, bro. Really, since day one you have been, bro. Shout out to BP for sure. And Crypto Pillbox, bro. Thank you so much for that, dude. I really appreciate you guys on their behalf. It really does. The whole freaking stream is basically green right now. That's the whole chat. That's awesome. You know what else is green? No FUD Koala. Look at that. $70,000 liquidity. Here we come. Let's go. Let's go. Absolutely killing it. $4 profit, bro. We're running. Troy said, I did figure out how to buy AFK. What's AFK? I know you're putting NFK. Well, I'm glad you're figuring everything out. Troy, let me give you guys a little backstory on Troy. Troy he wasn't even familiar with the Discord, and my boy's been doing really well on the Discord as well. So sometimes he'll message me and be like, hey, how do I get back to the actual chat? I'm like, Troy, you got to go and look for the general chat. And he's like, oh, all right, I got you. Whale Mo said, damn, think I opened up the floodgates. You did, bro. You did. Gina said, congratulations, Troy. Now you're a member, or now after your membership, all you got to say is, yes, I want to continue my membership. Oh, really? There we go. I didn't even know it was that easy. Nice. Very, very nice. Let me see something here, guys. Am I up on here? I think I'm going to close this out. I'm up 5% right now. I'm just going to close it out and just freaking call it. Hurry up. I'm actually, if I close it right now, it's technically saying I'm up 7%, but it's saying that I'm down 30 cents. Whatever. It closed it out. I didn't like that position. Now it's going to pump. You already know now it's going to pump, right? You guys know how it works. So the good position would have been me if I would have kept, or if I would have stayed patient and opened up the long anywhere at this level or below. I would have made, it probably would have been up 20 or 30%. But the fact that I did it at the 200-day moving average, I didn't like it because obviously it looks like the market, it doesn't know what it wants to do right now. It doesn't know what it wants to do. So if I could just jump out clean, I didn't make any money. I didn't lose any money. I basically I came out clean. I was up 7%, but I had to pay fees. There's going to be fees whenever you open up those positions. So I just basically closed the position out and got the hell out. So BP said hey, I try to be great. I appreciate you, bro. I know that's Gina. Don't be giving BP those googly eyes. Don't be over there doing that. Remember, I already told you about Rare. Where is Rare, by the way? You can't be gassing them all up over here. Well, I guess, all right, you can do it for BP for right now, but I'm telling you, you keep giving those googly eyes over there to Rare, and then I got to hear it in the Discord. All right? Yeah, he's saying he's late. My boy's over there stressing out about the NFT. So if you guys are aware, I know everybody is aware, we did do our competition for the NFTs for the NFK. So we dropped an NFT line. Make sure you guys check these out too. They're only $5 to mint, and you might end up getting a rare or legendary. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. But he is, I don't know if he was able to, he's not stressed out, but he's because we've sold over 500 NFTs, right, in the last like 2 or 3 weeks. So he's trying to gather who bought the most, because we have a competition right now, first, second, third place on whoever who owns the most NFTs. Obviously, not a part of the dev team, right? So anybody that's not with the dev team, you're eligible to be in there. We did end the competition though. I think it was Friday. We ended the competition, so he's in the middle of gathering all that information, trying to figure out exactly first, second, third. And then I also did tell him, I said, listen, bro, if third place and fourth place are very close, I want to bless the fourth place as well. So first place right now gets $100 in NFK. Second place gets $50. Third place gets $25. And then depending on, we'll probably do a fourth place. They'll probably get $15-$20. We haven't really discussed it, but we want to make sure we bless it. Because listen, guys, you guys killed it. Like I said, we sold over 500 NFTs for NFK, and all that money went straight into our liquidity for NFK, right? So we just keep building and building and building, and I'm telling you guys, we couldn't continue to do this without you guys. So shout out to the whole community, and this is not me gassing you guys up, I'm being honest. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'm telling you guys, it's going to pay off in the long run. I was talking to the devs the other day, and I was like, bro, my goal, and I know you guys have heard this plenty of times from other YouTubers, but my goal is to look back and honestly be one of the channels where I'm like, bro, we made the most millionaires on our channel, right? And this is how we're going to do it. Through our native token, we get up to 10, 20, $50 million market cap, you better believe that there's going to be people that have been buying these dips, that have been holding diamond hands, that are going to pay out whenever we get to these levels. And maybe they're not going to be a millionaire, but bro, if you cash out and you have $100,000 in NFK, bro, I would be ecstatic for you, honestly. So that's the goal. That's the goal. That's what we're getting for. We're not stopping till we're there. So look at Gino over here. BP. Gina did the 3 googly eyes this time. She only gave Rare 1. Kush said Jasmy to the moon. Is Jasmy, I mean, we just checked Jasmy. Is she bouncing? We want to make sure she's holding that. All right, so she found, I'm not going to necessarily say she's necessarily found support, but you can see so far she's bouncing off the 236. So it doesn't look bad. So Gina, go on to your so you go on to your wallet. Go on to your wallet that you have your NFTs, and if you go and you look at list, if you hold on to one of the NFTs, it'll pull up like, do you want to list it? And it'll give you a floor price. I think right now the floor price is like 1 Solana for a regular NFK. I'm sorry, NFT. So I mean, think about it. You guys are buying in at $5, and right now they're pricing it at, this is their price. You know, I haven't, we don't know if anybody's sold any yet, but they're pricing right now the floor price for the NFTs at 1 Solana, which would be technically about $162 for right now. So now one thing is to list a price, the other thing is to actually get that price, right? So Troy said, "How much NFK would be a whale?" I mean, honestly, bro, we don't have like a Richter scale on, you know, like, oh, right when you hit this level, you're considered a whale. I just know, like, Muhammad, he's been buying since day one, right? So I know he's got a big bag. I don't want to give out his information, like that's his business on what he owns. You know what I'm saying? But he owns a bag. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, bro, you're becoming a whale. But honestly, bro, what I think, and this just goes for any project, right? I tell you guys this for Milady. Tell you guys, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with, right, is what I think what you should hold. You know, so and you know, and I say this for any project, right? Any project that you're bullish on, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's got different financial situations, right? Some people, they can throw $10,000 around, like, because they have it. Some people, you know, they only have a few $100s to play with, which is perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? I would love to see, if you only have a few $100, we turn that few $100s into a few $1,000s, right? That would be nice. So Muhammad said my legendary one is 100 Solanas. Damn. So wait, you got a big bag of NFK, and now you're saying you got legendary NFTs, bro? What's going on here? Alberto said the road to $1 billion market cap. We're on our way, dude. We're on our way. Damn, we're up 40. We're up 30. We're up 40%, guys. We're up 40%, guys. We're killing it right now. Absolutely killing it. Hold the line. Hold the line. Let's just keep running and keep running, guys. I told you this was happening. I've been telling you guys. BP said, Fudd, you better tell her. She gonna learn today. Nah, Gina's family over there. I tell her, you know, you, with the googly eyes, you gotta be careful, because then, like I said, you start gassing up Rare, and then I gotta hear about it in the damn Discord. You know what I'm saying? With him over there thinking he's all smooth, iced tea over there or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So. Oh, so BP said Phantom doesn't show the rarities, Soul Flare does. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. There you go. Pillbox, you got 54. Hey, make sure you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys send a screenshot of how many you own to Rare in the Discord. All right, make sure, because he's on the back end looking at the wallets. But if you guys can send him a screenshot too, he can kind of compare the two. so we can do we can find out the winners a little bit faster. So I don't care if you own 2 NFTs, send a screenshot, pull your NFTs up in your wallet, and send the screenshot over to Rare in the Discord. All right. If you guys can, because we want to make sure we give out the earnings or the winnings to whoever is eligible to win, right? We want to get them to you as soon as possible. So anything trending today? GameStop up 15%. I mean, they're up 15%, but they're not up 39.2%, right? They're not doing it in FK, but I mean, they're up. They're up, but they're not, like 40% up, like some of these projects that we know of, right? Jay said, make sure you guys hit those likes. I appreciate that. Hey, guys, listen, I appreciate you guys reminding everybody to hit those likes. Really do. Gina said, which legendary is going for 100 soul? Mohammed, what number is your legendary? I know you told me which one is it. We can pull it up. What number is it? What did you say? Wasn't it like 447 or something? I know you told me, you said it in the stream the other day. It was a gold one. You have like wasn't it this one, 479? I think it was. Yeah, 479. This is it. So Gina, this is the one that's a legendary, and there's a couple of them, but I will tell you, if you have a gold koala, it's a legendary. Meaning there's like literally like 0.1% of them that are gold on here. Shazan said, truth be told, I don't own any, bro. I mean, it is what it is, but bro, you're missing out. They're only $5. And like I said, everything, so that $5 when you buy in, it goes straight into NFK anyway. And then down the road, like I said, you might end up with a legendary one. And you might be able to sell it for freaking 10 times what you bought it, or if not more. I'm scrolling through because I wanted to see if there's any other gold ones. If you guys can see, there's no gold. There's no gold. Koalas. Mohammed, we might have to do a little deal, bro. I might have to take that one off your hands. I'm going to have to do a little deal. Oh, look. There goes one. Look at this one. This is another legendary right here. 386. 386. I've never really scrolled and looked at all of them. Look, there goes another gold one right here. So if you see like every 50 of them, you'll see a gold, right? So here's another gold, 296 right here. And there may be one more gold. If you guys can see, we've seen 3 gold. We've already gone through like 500 NFTs. Now, don't think just the gold are going to be legendary. Now, there's those little characteristics, right? Because each one is different, right? And each one has a different percent. Like 5% have bubble gum, blowing a bubble, like stuff like that. I'm just throwing out, like, I don't know what the actual numbers are, but I do know that gold koalas are particularly the rare ones. Look at that. There's no other gold ones. I'm sure there's one right there. 126. So we've seen 4 gold out of like 500 NFTs. Oh, there we go right here. 93. This one looks dope. With the top hat. And he's got his chest all poking out. Look at that. My boy's ripped. What's this guy eating? I need to get this one. Okay, look at this. 75 with the baseball cap. Do I have... I'm minting one right now. Let's see what I get. I'm going to mint one right now. Confirm. Let's see. Waiting for it to go through. All right, it went through. All right, now let me see. Let me load profile. My NFTs. What's going on here? Oh, I didn't get a gold one. They're making sure the dev team doesn't get the legendaries. Don't be screenshotting my stuff now. Just kidding. This is my collection, so we'll see how it plays out, though. But I mean, they definitely look dope, right? And I don't care. I'll keep grabbing them as we go. So I'm kind of looking at the market right now. The only thing that's really holding its gains is Jasmy right now. Jasmy is the only one that's really holding its gains for right now for today. PEPE is right behind it as well. You can see PEPE just came off of an all-time high. So PEPE's holding his gains. Jasmy's holding his gains. Arbitrum's up 3%. Ladies right now in a sea of red. Ethereum 3 and Ladies is up technically 1.5% as well. So, you know, doesn't look bad. The markets right now, I think what we're seeing is just that typical Sunday. We have the holiday tomorrow for Memorial Day, so the markets are going to be closed for tomorrow. We're probably going to have another early stream tomorrow because I know a lot of people are going to be off work and stuff like that, so we'll probably do another early stream. But I'm not really expecting too much for the market. And I said the same thing yesterday, right? Not expecting too much in the market as far as like, you know, any big volume or anything like that. If you look like today, the volume's down 11%. Yesterday, our volume was down like 40%. You know, so I'm not really expecting too much as of today and tomorrow. Nothing too crazy. Bitcoin's dominance dropped. It was at 53.1. It's at 52.8 today, so that's a good thing as well. So we want to see Bitcoin's dominance drop. We want to see volume go up, and we want to see market cap go up. If it works like that, dominance goes down, volume up, market cap up, altcoin season engaged. And that's how we want it. BP said I got like 50 NFTs. Damn, bro. But unfortunately, BP, you're a dev, so you can't really. You're not. You're not in the. You're not in the contest, but you got 50 NFTs. Are you BP? Are you holding any legendaries? Mom had said, imagine NFK at a $2.5 trillion market cap. If that does happen, bro, bro, I know it's crazy to even think of. That would be like hitting the lottery like 10 times for all of us each. I hear you. He said BP said I don't need to be in the contest. I'm a winner. Or says I don't need a contest to be a winner. I'm already winning. Charlie Sheen. You already know, bro. Lutz said Muhammad knows how many I got. How many you holding on to, Lutz? You holding a bag? No legendary yet, BP? That's crazy. I mean, it's the luck of the draw, right? It's the luck of the draw. So Alberto said, I see a $1 billion market cap really possible. Bro, I mean, it's not unheard of. It really is not, especially on Solana. But, I mean, listen, even if we could just break $100 million market cap, think about that. That right now, if we hit $100 million market cap, that's a 300x from where we're at right now currently. That's a 300x. So imagine if you have $500 in NFK, times that by 300, right? If you have 1,000, times that by 300, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's insane. Like, if we just get to if we just get to almost where Milady is as far as market cap, the millionaires that are going to be made. And then think about it. Do you sell when we get there? Because if we're at $100 million market cap, you think that we're just going there and then coming back down? Like that could be like a freaking, where it's just a retirement plan for you, where you sell like maybe $1,000 every like 3 days for like the next 5 years, something like that could happen. Who knows, bro? But I'm just saying it's big things are very possible, and that's why, I'm just ecstatic for the whole community. I'm so happy for everybody that's part of the dev team, because they're the ones that have really made it. And I'm not even just they eat crap and sleep NFK on how we can raise the bar, how we can keep going. What can we do that the other projects aren't doing? What are we doing what aren't we doing that other projects what are they doing? As far as them being successful, so it's just like all over the board. Like I said, we still haven't dropped. We have a new website that's being made. We have a whole freaking marketing team on a whole nother. They run their own cryptocurrency, $1 million cryptocurrency, right? And we teamed up with them, and they are building our brand new website. We've had such great feedback on our website that we have right now. Imagine what we're gonna be. We have a freaking we paid thousands of dollars for this team to be building up. They're not only gonna be doing the website, they're doing marketing. We're going to be doing ads on Google and on social media as well for NFK. Like, I mean, we're not stopping. We're going to continue to just build and build and build. This is what PEPE did, and that's why they have such great success. So we're following the footsteps of some of these major meme coins that started off right where we were at. PEPE started off where we're at, and I'm sure there's people that are like, bro, that's never going to happen. And now look at them. They're at almost a $7 billion market cap, trading on every single trading central exchange, right? So it's very possible, very, very possible on where we're going. So BP, BP said, I'm going to have to buy a large amount at once to get lucky for a legend. Honestly, it's the luck of the draw. You could just keep buying singles like here and there, and if, you know what I'm saying? You could just get blessed with a legendary. Muhammad he got lucky. He did. He got lucky, and he ended up just snagging up a crazy legendary. So it is what it is. And that's what I say. It's like the luck. It's just like going and playing a raffle. Or like doing a raffle. It's like, it's all about timing and the luck of the draw, as far as when you hit that buy button. So yeah, Muhammad said PEPE doesn't even have NFTs, so but we do. Imagine. Yep, that's what, bro. We're hitting it from all different angles. No Diddy. Oh yeah. No Diddy, guys. So let's just do a quick recap. I'm kind of glad I jumped out of that long position that I opened up. I'm going to be watching, because if we do drop back down anything below, I told you guys this was the buy right here. For right now, it looks like anything below this support level at 162, I'm looking to maybe jump in and grab a long. I'm going to watch it and see if it's like we're falling fast, I might let it be. But I am looking to see if we can maybe jump in, or I can jump in on some kind of a long for Solana. So we'll see how that plays out. But looking at the markets for right now, we don't look terrible. We did break below that 69, that 69 level for now. So we'll have to see how this plays out. I wouldn't be surprised for right now, like for today, we might come back up and hit our head on the 69 for right now. So we'll have to see how this plays out. But hopefully these coming, this, I don't want to jinx us, but you guys know this ahead of us, hopefully we're killing it, and the markets are running back up. So I don't want to say anything, because if I say like, this week, then, but it's funny is Ethereum didn't even get seen on that drop. We saw that drop. Ethereum didn't even get seen. I'm wondering, what I'm wondering, guys? You see how Bitcoin's dominance is dropped, right? It's dropped 30.3% since yesterday. You see how Bitcoin's price dropped. Ethereum's price hasn't dropped. What's Ethereum's? Ethereum's is at 18%. Yesterday they were at 17%. So Ethereum, a lot of people are moving their funds from Bitcoin over to Ethereum with the whole ETF thing going on for right now. That's exactly what's going on. So oh yeah, guys. I love all the hype. I love all the hype for NFK, bro. I really do. If we keep this up, guys, as a community, and we stay strong and we hold the line, we're all going to win. I'm telling you. We're all going to win. So, but other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. We're pretty much good. Nothing too crazy today. What I'll say is if you guys need anything from me, I will be around. You guys can hit me up in the Discord. Tomorrow, we're going to have an early stream again, because I know a lot of people are off work. So we'll do an early stream tomorrow. Hopefully, we have a little bit more interesting stuff. But as far as today in the market, nothing too crazy. Ethereum is probably going to be the one that's pumping. Jasmy's looking absolutely crazy. It's back up 9% now. Look at Jasmy. Looking great. PEPE, 6% holding gains. Milady's not looking terrible. She's at 2% right now, while the rest of the market is pretty much down. So looking decent. I'm guaranteeing Milady might be indirectly pumping as well, because of it's on Ethereum's network. And someone was asking me about that the other day. So maybe we are going to see a big move for Milady, particularly because it's on Ethereum's network. That could be a possibility. So we'll see. But guys, other than that, I thank you guys so much. Have a safe day today. If you need me, jump in the Discord and hit me up. We'll have the results for the NFT. I guarantee I'll have Rare announce them today. And also, we have our airdrop for NFK coming in 2 weeks from today. All right, guys. So we got a lot of things lined up. Again, make sure you guys get some sun. Make sure you guys spend some time with your family, your loved ones, your friends, whatever makes you happy. I hope you guys have a great day. I really do thank you guys so much for coming in today and enjoying the day with me. I'll see each and every one of you guys either in the Discord, or I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? All right, guys. See ya. And buy NFK. Get NFK. Keep it going. See you guys.